Hey there! Need to add page numbers to your Google Docs? Super easy. Let's go through it together. Page numbers are essential for longer documents like reports or essays. They make it easy for your readers to navigate. Go to Insert menu. You will see an option called Page Numbers. You will have a few choices for how you want your page numbers to look. You can put them in the top header, bottom footer, or you can even choose to skip the first page. I will go with this one, which puts the numbers at the bottom and starts on the first page. Boom! Just like that, you have added page numbers to your document. To try other ways of adding page numbers, click Insert, go to Page Numbers, and click More Options. A pop-up window appears with more options. So basically here you can change the starting number. It's useful if you are going to export this document and you are going to have a title page or table of contents that are going to be merged with this document. Down, we have other option that's generally disabled when we don't have sections in our document. When you add section breaks, you can see the different sections. In this drop down, you can choose a specific section and apply the page numbers. It's great for documents with different sections that need separate numbering. You can also change the format of the page numbers. Select the text and choose a different font. Increase its size, or even add the word page before it. That's all there is to it. Adding page numbers in Google Docs is a quick and easy way to make your documents more professional and reader friendly. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.